Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on your REALME 11 Pro. So to do this, you have to open the settings, then you have to scroll down for apps. Next, go for the app management, and right here just pick the application that you want to remove. So in my case it will be, maybe I'm gonna get rid of the Genshin Impact. So click on it once, then click on uninstall button and click OK. As you can see, we easily get rid of that application, but there's also some apps that you cannot actually remove. And when you open, for example, the Gmail, as you can see, we cannot find here this uninstall button anymore. It means that all the default apps that you have on your REALME 11 Pro, you basically cannot remove. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.